दीजिए आपके
All right, let's get you breaking updates now coming in from West Bengal, where Abhishek Banerjee is facing the ire of the BJP workers. High drama being witnessed. Take a look. So these are the visuals of high drama voltage being witnessed in West Bengal as Abhishek Banerjee is facing the ire of the BJP workers. There are chore slogans being raised there. Let's go across to my colleague Rajesh Saha joining us on the broadcast. And Rajesh, we're looking at the dramatic visuals coming in where I think it's Abhishek Banerjee who's also wearing a cricket helmet. We're told eggs were also thrown at him. What are the details? What happened there?
So TMC MP and General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee has faced strong protest in Sonarpur area in South 24 Pargana district when Abhishek Banerjee went there to meet the family of a post.
আমাকে বাইরে থেকে স্লোগান দিচ্ছে চোর আর বাংলার বর্তমান মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে নির্লজ্জ দোকান কাটার মতো হাত বার করে টিভির পর্দায় 5 লক্ষ টাকা ঘুষ নিতে দেখা গেছে বাংলার কোন মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে টিভির পর্দায় আজ পর্যন্ত স্বাধীনতার পর এইভাবে নির্লজ্জভাবে কেউ টাকা নিতে দেখেনি একমাত্র এই মুখ্যমন্ত্রী বর্তমানে যিনি চুরি জচ্চুরি করে
Bengal Chief Minister
যার মাথার উপরে
holding the post of Bengal Chief Minister right now, he was seen taking bribe of 5 lakh rupees on screen. It was on record. He's the first Chief Minister who was seen taking bribe
they want to kill
on
me
camera.
they want to kill me এরা আমাদের প্রাণে মারতে চায় মেরে দিক আমার মৃতদেহ উদ্ধারক এখান থেকে
They want to kill me.
জায়গা ছেড়ে
They
যাব
can kill me.
আমি সঞ্জুর বৃদ্ধ বাবা মাকে এই অবস্থায় ছেড়ে যাব না যতক্ষণ না
They want to kill me. They want to kill me and I
এখানে যারা প্রতিনিধিরা রয়েছে
let my dead body
আবার
be recovered from here.
করো ফোর্সের জন্য রিকোয়েস্ট করো যদি না পাঠায় হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ পাঠিয়ে এটা অন রেকর্ড থাকুক পুরো ঘটনার ভিডিওগ্রাফি রয়েছে আমি হাইকোর্টের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি আমি রাজ্যপালের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি
The entire incident was videographed.
এখানে প্রায় 50 জন সংবাদ মাধ্যমের প্রতিনিধিরা রয়েছে
I will grab the attention of Honorable Governor of West
একটা
Bengal
লোক নেই
and of course Kolkata High
আপনারা
Court.
দেখুন I will definitely move to court.
There is no any security person. I will definitely move to Kolkata High Court.
Over here, sir, will you move to court?
দাঁড়া আমি সব বলে দিয়েছি পরে বলছি আগে আমাদের প্রশাসনের সাথে কথা বলতে দিন এই এসপি কে ফোন করো এসপি কে বা আইসি কে ফোন করে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে পাঠিয়ে রাখো
Rajesh continues to stay live with us, and Rajesh, the TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee can be heard saying that the BJP workers are responsible for this, and he claims that he was attacked.
Yes, absolutely. Abhishek Banerjee is now raising serious allegations against BJP workers for allegedly manhandling him. When TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee reached Sonarpur area in the South 24 Pargana district, some people gathered over there and started strong protest targeting Abhishek Banerjee. They raised a chor slogan targeting Abhishek Banerjee. Not only raising slogan, but also they pelted stones, shoes and eggs. We can clearly see in the visual that that few eggs were pelted at Abhishek Banerjee. Not only eggs, but rather stones, shoes and eggs were pelted targeting Abhishek Banerjee. That time Abhishek Banerjee was traveling on a bike of a local TMC worker. He was going to meet the family of a post-war violence victim. When he was on the way, that time some people, especially some BJP workers, started showing protest against Abhishek Banerjee, and they raised allegation that they were also victim of post-war violence during the previous elections in West Bengal, and Abhishek Banerjee also faced
just a moment, my apologies. I'll come back to you in just a moment. We have Mr. Saugata Roy joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Saugata Roy. We're looking at the visuals on the screens where Abhishek Banerjee has been attacked with even eggs thrown at him.
Attacked with?
Eggs have been thrown at him. There are BJP workers who can be seen in the visuals chanting slogans, saying "Chor, chor" as he steps out.
ठीक है. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Saugata Roy, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
Would you, what would you like to say on these visuals that we are playing out of some drama that is being witnessed in West Bengal as Abhishek Banerjee was being taken out? He, in fact, went on to say that he has been attacked by the BJP workers with eggs being thrown at him. And he says that all of this has been sponsored by the BJP.
Yes, I totally condemn this attack on Abhishek Banerjee. This is the actual face of BJP. After coming to power, some of their leaders have been using soft words, saying that they don't want any post-poll violence, but everywhere, wherever TMC leaders are going, they are being attacked. 3 days back, they attacked me, and now they have attacked Abhishek, who's an MP and All India General Secretary of the Trinamool Congress. This is what BJP is. They know that what they're doing, attacking offices, closing down offices, attacking Trinamool Congress workers, they want to hide that. And that's why they don't want Trinamool Congress leaders to go to any place.
Okay.
We shall fight back.
Okay. You'll
Abhishek
fight back
is a
is what the
young man,
TMC
he'll
is
fight
saying.
back.
I request you to stay with us.